A man who truly loves you, even he knows that you can't have kids, that person can't change the way he loves you. But a man who doesn't love you, he knows that you can't have kids. He can leave you and marry another woman who can have kids with. So sometimes when you saw your husband is truly loves you, you don't have a child, nothing happened into you, but he truly loves you or not cheating on you, he is honest to you. Sometimes we have to thank God, because sometimes you don't know men what they want in life. Even you are pregnant, he can say that pregnant is not mine, what he can leave you. You are pregnant, he can leave you. You can't have kids, he can leave you. So sometimes when you have that kind of a man that he still loves you, even you don't have a child with that man, you are in a marriage of 20 years or 30 years, that person is not cheating on you, or you can't have kids, he truly loves you. Because the other men, they don't care about the kids, they care about you, other people. So nowadays people, they can adopt nowadays than to marry another wife. Or when you saw your husband is marrying another wife, that person, he was not in love with you, because you can't have kids. So sometimes it's different sometimes, because the guys, a man who truly loves you, even he knows that you have got a problem, that person can stand with you.